Hello, I'm Candice and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're returning, thank you. So for today's tutorial, I'm going to do a second look using the Jeffree Star Pricked palette, which is one of my favourite ones for autumn. So if you'd like to see how I did this, then please carry on watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below. Thank you. Okay, so I've primed my eyes and I've done my eyebrows, and I'm going to go into the Jeffree Star Pricked palette. So just using a fluffy brush, I'm going to go into Thorny. And this is going to be my transition shade. And then to blend that out, I'm going to go into Cutting Edge. Then using a smaller pencil brush, I'm going to go into Forged. And I'm just tapping that on the outer edges. And then I'll blend that out with the same brush I used to go in with Thorny. So going back in with Thorny, just blending that edge out. So wetting my brush, I'm going to go into Pale in Comparison. And then using the same blush, I'm going into Fashion Haul. I'm just going to use that to blend in to Pale in Comparison. I think I'm going to have to go into Pale in Comparison with my finger and see if that picks up a little bit better. Oh, that's better. And that's as it looks now. Then picking up my small pencil brush, going into Forged again and just deepening that outer corner and bringing the colour back. You do lose the colour sometimes when you blend. Nothing you can do about it. But I do want that orangey red to come through. And I'm just doing small tapping motions and making sort of a C shape around the edge of my eye. So I'm going to go in with the Natasha Denona Macroblade Liquid Liner. I really need to learn how to speak. Okay, and with an eyeliner brush, I'm going to go into Deadly Intentions, and I'm going to go over that. Over the top of that liner. Okay, I'm just going to go wipe it underneath my eyes, and then we'll come back on to foundation. So for primer today, I'm going to use a NYX Hydra Touch primer. This was part of what I won from the NYX Catstock Won't Stop foundation. So if you're part of the NYX Makeup Addicts group, they had a little competition on, and we had to do before and after shots. So I did a before and after shot with the foundation, and I won it, and I won lots of goodies, and this was one of them. And it smells lovely. and it's very hydrating. For foundation today, I'm going to use the NARS Radiant Longwear in the shade Barcelona because I'm quite tan. And then using a foundation brush, I'm just going to apply that to my face. And then using my beauty sponge, I'm going to blend that in. And then for bronzer contour today, I'm using the Chanel cream bronzer. So for concealer today, I'm using the NYX Kat Won't Stop Concealer in the shade Vanilla. This is my favourite concealer at the moment. Oh my god, this might be too light for me actually at the moment because I'm tanned. We'll make it work because I ain't got another concealer at the moment. I need to buy one. Right, so let's blend that in. Yep, that's a bit too light for me at the moment, so I might have to go get a new concealer. For powder today, I'm going to use the Laura Mercier Celestial Light ones. This is my favourite powder at the moment. I know I've seen loads of reviews and people don't like it because it looks a bit highlightery underneath, but I really love it. I think once you get outside and it catches the light, it's so pretty. For bronzer today, I'm using the MAC Give Me Some. So for blush today, I'm going to use the Jordana Tisha Fruit Punch. So I've just applied some Doll Beauty lashes in the style Candy and I've underlined my eyes, and now I'm going to go into my under eye area. So getting a small pencil brush, I'm going to go into the shade Thorny, which is what we used in the crease shade. And then using that big fluffy brush we used to blend out our edges, I'm going to use that again and cutting edge. So for lip liner today, I'm going to use the Morphe Sweet Tea lip liner and the Natasha Denona lipstick in I Need a Nude 30NP Maria. And then for gloss today, I'm going in with Beaded Glass by Jeffree Star. And then setting spray and we're all done. So this is the finished look using the Jeffree Star Pricked palette. This is my second look using this. The first tutorial is on my video uploads. If you'd like to view that, if you already haven't, please have a look at that and see if you like that as well. Thank you for watching, as always. I do appreciate every view that I get, and I do appreciate all the likes and comments I get as well. If you would like to like and subscribe if you liked this video, that'd be great, and don't forget to switch them notifications on. And I will see you next time. Next time I will be playing with the Carnival 5 Antidote palette from Be Perfect Cosmetics, the new one by Stacey Marie, which I'm super excited about. So see you next time. Thank you. Bye.